Hello everyone! I had to get in on this AI action figure toy trend and create one of myself, the AI Tools Nerd. But not only am I going to show you how I create them, I'm going to show you how to make AI action figures move using a free AI image to video generator. So let's head over to our first free AI tool, which is ChatGPT 4.0. Here is the AI action figure that I created, and just above it is the prompt that I use. Alongside the prompt, I used an image of my avatar, which was previously uploaded. When creating your action figure, be sure to upload your reference image and type in your prompt. It is important to be specific in what you want in your prompt, so keep that in mind. Just below my first AI action figure is a consistent character of the same. As you can see, his arms are below his waistline, and he's looking forward smiling. So for my prompt, I typed, create the same image, but this time make him look straight ahead with both arms down and him smiling. Now I'll create another consistent character, and this time I'll type, create the same image, but this time make him look straight ahead with his arms folded. I'll press enter and wait for the AI image to render. Since I'm using ChatGPT's free plan, I'm going to speed up this video to save time. Okay, the AI image is rendered, and as you can see, my action figure's arms are folded and he's looking straight ahead. So now I have 3 consistent characters based off my reference avatar image and my prompts. And you too can create an amazing AI action figure using ChatGPT for free and with ease. And now let's head over to the next free AI tool where I'll show you how to make AI action figures walk and talk. Hey everyone! Before we go to the next AI tool, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to be alerted for newly released videos. The next AI tool is Hailuo Ai, which is one of my favorite image-to-video generators. Here is where I'll drop in the first AI action figure image I created with his hand on his chin. Then I'll type in my prompt, which says, a static shot of a man talking and thinking. Then I'll press the button which deducts 30 credits for it to render. If you're new to Hailuo Ai, when you sign up, you get 1,000 credits for free that must be used within a few days. After it expires, you get 100 free credits daily. Side note, I had to change the prompt because in the reference image his arm was partially hiding the bow tie, therefore it didn't show correctly. So in the new prompt I gave a more detailed description, so keep that in mind if something doesn't render correctly. Now let's take a look at the action figure of him looking forward and smiling. I've already rendered out the video for this pose. The prompt I used is a static shot of a man talking while making subtle hand gestures while standing. Now I'll show you how to make this action figure walk and talk. I simply put in the prompt a tracking shot of a man walking and talking. As you can see, the AI action figure starts to walk and talk to the toy AI robot accessory who follows him. It's amazing that Hailuo Ai took the initiative to have the robot move along with him without me including that in my prompt. Now, I'm going to take this a step further. I took a screenshot of the action figure and the AI robot at the end of the clip, and I used that to continue the conversation between the two. For the prompt I typed, a static shot of a man talking while putting his hands behind his back and keeps them there. The AI toy makes subtle movements as if he's agreeing. And sure enough, Hailuo Ai did exactly what I asked it to do. Then I added another prompt that says, a static shot of a man listening and making gestures with his hands. The AI toy makes movements as if he's talking. And as you can see, this image-to-video generator delivers again. It shows the AI toy robot moving as if he's talking, and the action figure character is listening with subtle movement. Hey, I just want to say I really appreciate the support of my channel. I hope it brings you value, and I'm looking forward to growing with you in this AI community. Now let's head over to Capcut and close out this tutorial. Here inside of the free version of Capcut, I did some simple editing such as adding effects, transitions, and background music. Hello creators! It's the AI Tools Nerd here, and I've transformed into an AI action figure. And right beside me is my trusty AI agent at arms, AI Nerd Bot. Well, my friend, do you have anything to say?
I sure do.
The mic is yours. Take it away.
I just want to say thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel.
Before you go, let's take a look at it as a YouTube short or TikTok video. Hello creators! It's the AI Tools Nerd here, and I've transformed into an AI action figure. And right beside me is my trusty AI agent at arms, AI Nerd Bot. Well, my friend, do you have anything to say?
I sure do.
The mic is yours. Take it away.
I just want to say thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel.
Thanks, everyone. That wraps up this AI tutorial. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to be alerted for newly released videos.